Welcome to another walk around video from us here at Quattro Tech Cars. For this one, we'll be having a look at this really well presented 2018 Audi A4 Avant S-Line. The car has some really nice spec and it is absolutely superb when it comes to the way it's been looked after. You've got those 18-inch dynamic style alloys, all in excellent condition. So of course those are diamond cut. All of them are actually wrapped in matching Conti Sport Contact 5 Continental tyres as well. It's finished in metallic moonlight blue paint, which looks really smart, especially when it's accompanied with full black leather upholstery. So that both the front seats in this are heated, electric, and the driver's seat even has memory settings as well. The car has the super rare Martix LED headlights. It's got a reversing camera and it's even got another really rare bit of spec in the factory swivel tow bar as well. Amazing service history, amazing spec, and really tidy condition. For the next couple of minutes we'll be going around the 1.4 TFSI A4 in some more detail. A first look at the interior here on this super clean A4 Avant. Being the S-Line, of course, you've got this particular styling for the interior. Normally you'd have half leather and half Alcantara. This one has the optional full black leather. It's all in absolutely superb condition. Contrasting stitching is still really nice and bright. All the footwells are filled with the original Audi foot mats as well. There's a fold-out armrest, through loading section. There's a two-piece setup for the split folding rear seat. Alcantara and brushed aluminium on the door cards. And in terms of the cleanliness, it's always hard to tell when looking at pictures of a car, but this is definitely not an ex-smoker's car or anything like this. It's all super clean, really well looked after. And here in the driving seat for the A4, again, all of that lovely condition continues right the way through this car. It's a beautifully kept example. Got that full black leather upholstery, and you've got electric heated front seats. The driver's seat actually has memory settings, so that will also save two separate settings for two different drivers if needed, and will incorporate the position of the door mirrors. The mirrors are also folding, they are heated, and they are automatically dimming as well, and that's the same for the rear view mirror in the center as well. You've got automatic headlights, you've got automatic wipers, the onboard trip computer, and this car's averaged over, I think it was 44 miles per gallon over the long-term memory, so that's really good for a 2-litre petrol. The electronic park brake has got hill assist. You've got a reversing camera to go with the sensors at the front and back, cruise control, dual zone, or in fact 3-zone climate control. Really nice spec and excellent condition. Really nice car. So there we have a quick look at the Moonlight Blue A4 S-Line. All of our cars here go through a structured mechanical check with our Audi and Volkswagen Group specialist workshop here at Quattro Tech, and all the service history that we have proof for will be listed in the description for the advert. While the car's in stock, we'll be making sure that all servicing requirements are up to date, and at the same time an MOT test will be run as well. When you purchase any vehicle from us, it will always come with a minimum of 6 months warranty, but for your peace of mind there are options for you to extend. If you're interested in the S-Line A4, feel free to get in touch and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.